The darkness always contains mysteries, but sometimes the scariest thing is not the darkness, but what we see in the darkness. Around the world, many strange stories have been told, but none are as scary and confusing as the legend of the Grinning Man. A man of unknown origin, no one knows where he came from, only leaving behind a strange smile that makes anyone shiver. On a cold night in 1966 in New Jersey, two boys on their way home suddenly saw a strange man. He stood still, tall, with a smile stretching across his face. He did not move, did not say anything, but his eyes seemed to penetrate their minds. So who is the Grinning Man? Where does he come from? And why does he appear? Legend has it that the Grinning Man does not appear in just one place. It is believed that he has been seen all over the world, from remote countryside to crowded cities. He often appears when strange events occur, such as UFO sightings or other unexplained supernatural phenomena. In Point Pleasant, famous for the Mothman legend, many residents claim to have seen a strange man walking through the deserted streets at night. He never speaks, just stands there, smiling hauntingly. One witness said that his smile is not human, but rather like a mask carved to scare others. What's scarier is that no one knows where the Grinning Man came from. He left no trace. There's no evidence, only stories passed down from ear to ear, but they all have one thing in common: a strange smile and eyes that don't belong to this world. Science is always trying to explain mysterious phenomena, and the Grinning Man is no exception. Some psychologists believe that he may just be a product of the human imagination, a phenomenon called pareidolia. This is when people see faces in vague images, such as clouds or darkness. However, pareidolia doesn't explain why so many witnesses describe the Grinning Man with similar details, from the strange eyes to the shiny suit. This raises the question, is this a fictional character, or does it really exist? In addition, a study of fear psychology shows that the Grinning Man's constant smile makes our brains feel uneasy. A smiling face, but without emotion, is like the deception of a mask. Another shocking theory is that the Grinning Man is actually an extraterrestrial messenger. Witnesses in areas with UFO phenomena report that the Grinning Man often appears before or after they see strange lights in the sky. Many believe that his smile is not meant to be threatening, but to reassure humans. But that makes us wonder, why would an alien choose to communicate through such a creepy smile? A story tells of a family in West Virginia in 1967. The father saw a strange light outside the window, and shortly after, he saw the Grinning Man standing in his yard. He disappeared in a flash, but a few days later, a devastating flood hit the area, destroying dozens of homes. Was this a warning? The Grinning Man is a symbol of unsolved fear. He may be a figment of our imagination or a reminder of how small we are in the vastness of the universe. The question remains, is his smile sympathetic or a warning about the future? We may never know. But when you look up at the night sky, ask yourself, how many mysteries are there waiting to be discovered?